Solving Ring camera connectivity issues.
Hello there. Is your Ring camera not responding even after a restart? Don't worry, we're going to walk you through some potential solutions that should get your device up and running again. It's important to remember that patience and methodical troubleshooting can solve most tech issues.
Is your Ring camera powered on?
Let's start with the basics. Check if your Ring camera is properly powered. If it's battery operated, ensure the battery is fully charged. If it's a wired model, make sure it's correctly plugged into a working outlet.
Is your Wi-Fi working properly?
Next, check if your Wi-Fi network is functioning well. Test the network by connecting other devices to it. If they also struggle to connect, consider restarting your router or reaching out to your internet service provider.
Are you within range of your Wi-Fi?
Your Ring camera might not be responding if it's too far from your Wi-Fi router. Wi-Fi signals can be blocked or weakened by walls and other obstacles, so try moving the camera closer to the router if possible.
Have you tried a factory reset?
If the issue still persists, try performing a factory reset. For most Ring models, this is achieved by pressing and holding the setup button for 15 to 20 seconds. Once the front light flashes, release the button and wait for the camera to reboot. Remember that this will delete all your camera settings and you will have to set it up again as a new device.
Is the device's firmware up to date?
Ensure your Ring device's firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware may cause your device to malfunction. Updates are usually done automatically, but if your camera has been off or disconnected for a while, it might have missed an update. That's it. We've covered some basic troubleshooting steps you can take if your Ring camera isn't responding after a restart. If none of these steps work, consider reaching out to Ring customer support for further assistance. We hope you found this guide helpful and that your Ring camera will be back to keeping your home safe in no time.